Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about how to prepare model in Django framework project. Now we will see, this is the tutorial. We will discuss about the models. No? And the model is a representation of a real world concept, which is the relevant to communicate with the database, which is having to connected in our project. Like an example, shopping cart of an order, customer shopping, and these are the information which are available. Likewise, we need to prepare respect to the models. All right, and now I will show you a simple product, how to creating a model for the purpose of a simple product. The product will have a properties called name, price, and stock of the price, that particular product, and image URL. We have to display for an image for the URL. We'll see how it is. Steps one by one I can show you. And first we need to go to the package of the products package. There I have to check with the models.py. Open it. Yes, now it is create the models here. The hash line means commented line. If you want, you can, or else you can remove it, and you can specify a right line here. The beautification of the purpose of model, the purpose why we have created, and what is the purpose of the model, you can write here. For the later times, the later developers, they can easily understand what is the exactly the model. All right, for this model by defaultly it's getting from django.db, and importing is the models. Right, now see, I'm preparing for a class for creating of the model. So consists of class and name. Class name is products, and like what is this, I'm invoking, this is a models, these models importing, what are the models module I am importing from that models module dot models. What is this? The model. Now we have to prepare for the parameters what we require. Like I am declaring as a name I require. What is the name of the product I may enter here. And now for the name, I'm giving in a column type, like a database table which will be created. The column name is required for the data table. Like a data table means it's an Excel spreadsheet where column headers are there and row data is there. All right, column headers, as you assume that we are creating column headers. Like a name, I'm going to specifying the character type, that characteristics like data type I have to mention over here. Like it's an int or a string or a boolean, and the data type we need to specify over here. Name I am taking as a chart field. It is models dot chart field, and this is the field. What is the length I have to specify? Max underscore length. By default keywords these all are. Max length is a name of the product I am giving is 255 characters, and the price of the particular product I have to taken to the price is in a float point, float field, and we have to specify it's enough float field is sufficient. And stock we need to enter about the product, how much stock it is available with us within our store. Dot integer field, this is a stock I am going to be taking in an integer field, that is sufficient for this. And one more field, it's an image URL, image underscore URL. Yeah, and now see here models, and that character field. For this, this is the character that image URL may have a length which is bigger than 255. It might be the URL sometimes. Then hence I'm going to taking is a max length over here. Just a second. Yeah, max length, it is maximum length of the character strength I'm taking is 2083. This is the maximum length it can be taken by the database over here. And moreover, the one thing I would like to tell you, these databases, and this is the skeleton and the structure it will be created for the purpose I am going to using inbuilt database, that is in a db.sqlite database. Anyhow, there is a good feasibility and facility which is available with the Django framework will support all the databases like RDBMS, like a relational database management system, which is involving to large extent applications called MS SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, in any number of databases it will support. You don't worry about it, and Python is having a good support and good driver support for all. Right. In this session, we have seen till how to prepare for model. In the next session, we will see how to execute this model and preparing for the tables, how it is coming on migration section. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.